Hello and welcome to this Starfield tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to assign a crew member to your outpost. Outpost building is a really fun part of the game, I think anyway, and it's fun building whatever you want and then getting crew member to be assigned. So it's pretty easy. All you need to do is build your outpost, of course, and then you're going to walk up to your outpost builder thing and click A if you're on the Xbox, your outpost beacon, and you want to make sure to just press B, and that will take you out of the builder and into this mode where it's kind of like the move mode, where you can move objects around but you're not actually trying to build something. And then I'm going to go inside my outpost here, and because when you're in the build mode you can't get inside your outpost. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the build mode by hitting B again lightly. And then what I want to do is up in the right, I'm going to cycle over until I find what is called, it's going to be called the crew station. And you need to make sure you have enough resources to build it. And then I'm going to kind of place it in this room here with a nice view of the mountains and everything. And you could rotate it around and kind of move it wherever you want. Maybe I will move it over to this other spot instead by where the light is. And then you're going to just press it or build it with the A button. Again, this is on the Xbox Series X, so it'll be a little bit different on the PC. And then when you build it, it'll say how to assign your crew member. So I'm going to click OK to get out of this, and then what I want to do is I want to hold B to get out of the builder. And then I want to click on my guy, or I mean bring up my the main menu for my guy, and then I want to go over to the ship over in the left corner there, and then I'm going to press Y, and then I can find a crew member that's unassigned, or you could unassign someone from somewhere else, but it looks like I'm going to assign Heller. He has an outpost engineering. And then I'm going to put him on mountaintop, which is my outpost, and just hit A and put him in there. And then I'm going to put Lynn in there as well. And there you go. And just hit A to confirm it. And then you can back out of this. And then usually it takes a little while for them to kind of just show up. So what I normally will do is I'll go over and find a couch or a bed or something. I'll just wait or sleep for an hour or two and then see if they show up by then. And a lot of times they will. They won't always be on the inside of the outpost. A lot of times they'll be outside. So like if I walked around here, I didn't find Heller on the inside of the outpost anywhere. But then when I walked over to the window, I saw him down there walking around. So there he is. I'm going to go out there, and I could go up there and talk to him. You can trade gear with him, whatever you want him to do. And he's going to just stay here and work at the outpost. Pretty awesome. And then my other person, Lynn, after a little while, I found her walking around. And there you go. So that is how you can easily assign crew members to your outpost. You just make sure that you build that crew station first. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. Take care, everyone, and have fun playing Starfield.